So guys, here you can see Yo-Yo, which is closer to the camera, and obviously Me Too. She is behind him, always watching him, always sort of admiring him, and she is sort of thinking he's a hero. He's so sexually attractive bird, you know. You can so see that she is totally like gone when she sees him. You see, she's always looking at him and always thinking, man, this man is so sexy and he's my man. This is what this bird, Me Too, is thinking about this man here, Yo-Yo, that always flies to my shoulder without asking. Subscribe guys, thank you.